consumed. In this reaction again 4H were consumed. 2H went along with oxygen, ठीक है, 2 ऑक्सीजन को लेके गए थे और बाकी 2 इस वैकेंसी पे फिल हुए थे. Here again the mechanism is a bit different, but 4 hydrogen have been utilized, 1, 2, 3 and 4, and we get what? We get this methyl alcohol and this is alpha carbon, this again as a primary alcohol, a 1 degree alcohol. So this is how esters are hydrolyzed. Okay. Now we start the reactivity of alcohol. Preparation of alcohol ends here, and now comes the reactivity of alcohol. Now the reactivity of alcohol is discussed with 2 respects. For example, we say that a nucleophile attacks on alcohol. Whenever nucleophile attacks on alcohol, then carbon is partially positive. Okay? This partially positive carbon is broken. Nucleophile attacks on alpha carbon and this bond is broken. So what we say, कि ROH bond is broken. And what is intermediate? R positive is intermediate. ठीक है, OH नेगेटिव जाएगा ना तो R पॉजिटिव बचेगा, तो R पॉजिटिव इंटरमीडिएट होता है. And we told you that the reactivity of a reaction is directly proportional to the stability of the intermediate. This would be formed in between the path. R positive is intermediate. Whenever intermediate is stable, it waits for something new and it reacts with something new and a new product is formed. But if the intermediate is unstable, then it goes back. ठीक है, वो इंटरमीडिएट अगर अनस्टेबल हो तो घबरा जाता है, कहता है ये क्या हुआ, इससे तो अच्छा पहले था, मैं जैसा था वहीं सही था, तो वो बैक हो जाता है. बैक हो गया तो समझो रिएक्शन ही नहीं हुआ. ठीक है, तो इफ़ द इंटरमीडिएट इज स्टेबल, इट वेट्स फॉर समथिंग न्यू एंड इट रिएक्ट्स विद इट एंड वी गेट द रिएक्शन. सो व्हेन इट इज स्टेबल, द रिएक्शन इज रेट ऑफ रिएक्शन इज हाई. ठीक है, so the stable, if it is intermediate, we will get the reactivity of alcohol would be high, and we discussed the stability of this in chapter number 17 of alkyl halide, SN1 reaction, carbocation stability. The carbocation is very stable when it is tertiary. If there is a tertiary carbocation, it is very stable. Why? Because the alkyl groups are electron donor, they decrease the electron density of carbon. When the electron density on carbon is less, it waits for something new, it does not attract the OH negative. Okay? It lets OH negative go and something new will be formed now. So this is very stable, and secondary is less stable. Secondary carbocation is less stable. Now if we see the secondary carbocation, so this is the secondary carbocation. It is getting electron density not from three sides, from two sides. So it would have more charge on it. This is secondary. This would have more charge on it. Because the charge density is high, there are the chances that it would attack again on OH negative, and it would not react. It would combine with the OH negative. So its reactivity would be less. And if we consider a primary, it was 3 degree, and if we consider a 1 degree or primary carbocation, then the charge is still more. H R1, it is getting electron density only from one side. The charge is high. Chances of attacking OH negative is high. Chances of reactions are less. ठीक है, मतलब रिएक्शन तो तभी होगा ना जब OH नेगेटिव से पे अटैक ना करे, उसको जाने दे और किसी नए पे अटैक करे. ठीक है, तो यहाँ क्या है कि OH नेगेटिव पर अटैक करने के चांसेस बढ़ गए तो रिएक्टिविटी कम हो गई. और सबसे कम किधर हो जाएंगे? If it is not given any support from any side, CH3 carbocation. ठीक है, so the charge density is very high over here. This is also called as 1 degree or 1 degree carbocation or 1 degree carbocation. So the reactive would be least over here. हाँ, ये दोनों 1 डिग्री कहलाते हैं. ये बेसिकली कहाँ से आया होगा? ये आया होगा CH3OH से. CH3OH अगर में से अगर OH जाएगा तो CH3 पॉजिटिव का कैटाइन बचेगा. ठीक है, so the reactivity with respect to the attack of the nucleophile is of the order that tertiary are the most reactive, then secondary, then primary. ठीक है, now we come to the reactivity with respect to the electrophile. Now reactivity, this was if something electrophile attacks on alcohol, then where would it attack? This is the partial negative part and this is the partial positive part. If an electrophile attacks, if it attacks on electrophile, then what would happen? H would go out. ठीक है, जाहिर है कि नया आएगा तो पुराना तो जाएगा. H would go out. As a result, RO negative would be an intermediate. RO negative would be an intermediate, and the stability of anion is opposite of the stability of cation. ठीक है, this is an anion, the stability is reverse of this. Now the 3 degree would be the least reactive, and then 2 degree and then 1 degree. Is this part visible? ठीक है, so the case is opposite over here, and if we draw it, if we draw this thing, the same thing for the electrophilic attack, what would we say? Reactivity of alcohol with respect to electrophilic attack. So if an electrophile attacks if an electrophile attacks, it would attack on we will get RO negative bonded with E positive. ठीक है, and H was so RO negative is intermediate. This would be intermediate, and the stability would be maximum for 1 degree, then 2 degree, then 3 degree. What are the examples? Examples are CO negative, and this is 1 degree. ठीक है, this is 1 degree anion, or this is also 1 degree anion. ठीक है, so this anion is, if we compare these two anion, then this is getting electron density from nowhere, so the charge is less. ठीक है, it is finding the electron density, or it is gaining the electron density from one side, so the charge is a bit more. And if we compare, this is 1 degree, this is 1 degree, and if it gets electron density from two sides, charge density would be high. ठीक है, and if it gets electron density from three sides, then the charge density would be very high. So the charge density should be less. ठीक है, for the stability of intermediate, charge density should be less. It has the highest electron density, so there are the chances that it would attack the H positive. ठीक है, and when it would attack the H positive, it would be less reactive. इसको अगर देखो तो H positive तो समझो कि हर जगह ही है ना. अगर हम गौर करें कि H पॉजिटिव को देखें तो H पॉजिटिव तो इधर भी है. H पॉजिटिव अगर इधर है तो H पॉजिटिव थोड़ा इधर नज़दीक आ जाएगा, और H पॉजिटिव इधर और नज़दीक आएगा, और H पॉजिटिव इधर बहुत ही नज़दीक आ जाएगा. ठीक है ना, तो चांसेस कि ये H पॉजिटिव से रिएक्ट करेगा सबसे ज़्यादा इधर है, और H पॉजिटिव से रिएक्ट करेगा दोबारा ही अल्कोहल बन जाएगा, रिएक्टिविटी हो गई ज़ीरो, और यहाँ पे इसके अट्रैक्ट करने की सलाहियत कम है, तो इट वुड नॉट रिएक्ट विद H पॉजिटिव, इट वुड रिएक्ट विद समथिंग एल्स, तो इट्स रिएक्टिविटी वुड बी वेरी हाई. ठीक है, ये पुराने H पॉजिटिव से रिएक्ट नहीं करेगा, उसको जाने देगा, ये इंतज़ार करेगा नए इलेक्ट्रोफाइल का. ठीक है, so the reactivity of phenol is studied with respect to the attack of the electrophile and with respect to the attack of the nucleophile, and both have reverse order as expected. So that's all for today. इंशाल्लाह जी आ जाओ मुनीम, इसको स्टॉप कर दें.